Today we are going to be grateful and reflect on energy. Everything is energy. You are energy. Your words are energy. Your touch is energy. Someone else's touch, someone else's words are energy. Every single cell in your body works with energy to keep you alive. Water is energy. The right food is energy. The wrong food is wrong energy. The wrong quality of water or less water is wrong energy. Your emotional health is energy, right or wrong. Now close your eyes and deeply reflect. What if you had less energy? What if you had the wrong energy? What would go on in that beautiful body of yours? You already have the answer. So now today reflect and be grateful for energy that is in us, that is within us, that we get from outside of us. And how do we use this energy? What action do I take? Sleep better, eat better, move more, relax, learn to relax. Do I look at relationships? All of this, reflect deeply and be grateful for energy.